Hello, George. To make a best decision for our development project, it is important to have a thorough understanding about Happy Valley. First, let me give you some basic information about Happy Valley. Over the past decades, Happy Valley has been developed into a high-class residential region. With its stunning view of the racecourse and a quiet environment, it attracts so many celebrities and upper-class level to move in. To understand the real need of Happy Valley, let's look into the land use distribution there. Based on the OZP, we can see that Residential A and Residential B area take up more than 50% of Happy Valley. And also, based on our observation during the site visit, we noticed that there are a great deal of old residential buildings with commercial land use on the first few floors. Generally, the other uses are fundamental services and shops providing commodities like supermarket, banks, hospitals, schools, etc., which make Happy Valley a self-sustainable community. However, there is only little non-domestic buildings or office in Happy Valley. This special land use pattern makes Happy Valley a quiet and luxurious living environment. By understanding its land use pattern, we can know that which type of land use is the most favorable for redevelopment. And now, I'm going to sort out some potential sites by filtering method. By filter, we would like to sort out the best 5 locations with greatest investment potential. Here are the 4 criteria we choose: building age, class of site, existing building height, and appearance. The first criterion is the building age. Our target is any old buildings with more than 50 years. As under the land ordinance, only 80% share of the building is required for compulsory sale, which would be easier for us to acquire the site. Also, the cost for site acquisition will be lower. Here comes to our result. We can see that from the blue region on the map, 57 buildings with more than 50 years are selected. The second filter will be the class of site. Classes of site are to classify the sites according to how they abut on street. They have different maximum permissible plot ratio. The higher class, the more maximum plot ratio is allowed. That means we can have a greater total GFA for redevelopment as well as the investment potential. So, we sort out the class of site, and there are 1 Class C and 21 Class B with maximum plot ratio 10 and 9 respectively, if they are domestic land use. Then, we filter the site with their existing building height. Existing building height contribute to the cost of acquisition. Higher buildings usually have more units of residence, and therefore the cost for site acquisition increase. Therefore, we select the buildings not more than 6 stories tall. We can see that there are 8 buildings not more than 6 stories tall. The last criterion is the appearance. Using the method of comparison, we give rating to the 8 buildings accordingly. We compare the external wall, the design, and the overall impression of them, and give 5 marks to the best building and 1 mark to the worst one. We tend to choose the site with poorer appearance. Poorer appearance of buildings will badly affect the townscape and the image of Happy Valley, and hence are more preferable for redevelopment. Here comes to our result. The graph shows the classes of the buildings according to their appearance. The best 5 potential sites are chosen as the most preferable site for redevelopment. It is shown that 2 buildings only get 1 mark and 3 of them get 2 marks for appearance. Based on the above filters, the 5 potential sites will be number 15 Chun Yun Street, number 58 Village Road, number 14 to 16 Min Fat Street, number 69 E and F Sengwo Road, and number 31 Sengwo Road. We sincerely suggest that these sites are more preferable when it comes to our project. But of course, the land use will be equally influential in terms of redevelopment. I hope that this video can boost your understanding of Happy Valley. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye, George.